is Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to make my non-alcoholic Irish cream. And this is a really great recipe for St. Patrick's Day. And I'm actually going to go ahead and make my own chocolate syrup for this. And all you're going to need to make this chocolate syrup is 1.5 cups of half and half, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, y'all, the first thing I did was whisk together my half and half and my tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. Okay, in a medium saucepan, I combined my half and half, my sugar, my cocoa powder, and my cornstarch. And now I'm going to put this over low heat, and I'm going to whisk constantly until the mixture thickens and begins to simmer. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to go ahead and stir in my vanilla extract. Okay, y'all, here is my homemade chocolate syrup, and now I'm just going to put this into the refrigerator and let it cool. Okay, y'all, all you're going to need to make my homemade non-alcoholic Irish cream is 2 cups of half and half, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee granules, 4 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and whipped topping. Okay, y'all, all you need to do is combine the half and half, the sweetened condensed milk, the instant coffee granules, the chocolate syrup, and the vanilla extract into a blender, and you're going to blend on high for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, y'all, now all I'm going to do is top my non-alcoholic Irish cream with whipped topping. Okay, y'all, here is my homemade non-alcoholic Irish cream, and I hope that you'll enjoy this recipe, and may God bless you today and always. Happy St. Patrick's Day!